Hi everyone, welcome to another left-handed video. I hope you're doing great. Today we're gonna learn together how to make half double crochet stitch. Half double crochet stitch is one of the prettiest stitches. It is between the single crochet and the double crochet. It gives the neat look of the single crochet and it gives the speed of the double crochet. So if you want to make any project fast, quick and nice, you can use this stitch. We'll start from the beginning with a slip knot. If you need to a detailed video how to make a slip knot and a chain, refer to the first video in this series. So I'm gonna chain 10. Okay, so on the third chain from the hook. So the third chain is counted from the last chain, which is this one, not the one on the hook, the one over here after the hook. So 1 2 3. Okay, I'm gonna yarn over 1 2 3, insert the hook into the chain, pull through. I have 3 loops on my hook, pull through all. That's half double crochet. Into the next chain I'm gonna repeat, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull through all. Second half double crochet. We repeat the same in every chain. Yarn over, okay. And the last chain, and this is complete. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I have 8. I chained 10, but I have 8 stitches because I skipped 2 to make my first half double crochet. So usually you have to skip 2 to be able to make it and get the right height of the stitch. So onto the next row. The next row will be the repetition throughout the work, whichever work or pattern you are making. So I'm gonna chain 2 and turn. So the first stitch is under the chain 2 I did already. So here again it's the same thing, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch and pull through. So you notice when we make a chain we call the chain first, and then once we make the stitches we say that you work a half double crochet into the stitch. So yarn over again into the next stitch, insert the hook into both V's, pull through all and repeat. and the last stitch is over here. 1/2 double crochet, okay. Again, to know whether you're doing the right thing or the right number of stitches, just count. So we have the chain 2 here, it's not counted, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 in numbers, like the first row, the second row, and every row. So if you get the right number, means you're doing the right work with the right number. So this is what you need to do about half double crochet, and how you need to go further with it. If you have a question or any questions, leave it in the comment section. See you next time on the next tutorial, which is a double crochet. Bye bye.